Wow. Hello, asalam alykum. Greetings, my beautiful family. It's a good evening here in Uganda, Africa. Please, we have our recipe of the day. We are going to prepare our dodo from our garden. So please, let's harvest our dodo from our garden. We are going to add in some groundnuts. We'll be pairing our dodo with steamed matoke. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you are highly welcome. The returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. We are harvesting our green veggies from our home. Please come, we enjoy our dinner together. So this is our harvest of the day. So it's now time to clean our greens, which we harvested from our shamba. We harvested some few greens from our backyard. So please, let's prepare our dinner. It was not much due to there is too much sunshine. So when it rains, we'll be harvesting a lot of greens. So our dodo is now clean. Green veggies, amaranthus, dodo. So we are going to prepare. We will be adding in some groundnuts. Healthy recipe for the day, nutritious. This recipe is very nutritious. So please, you can try it in your home. Let's prepare our dinner. It's just boiled. We are going to add in some groundnuts. So please stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Our nutritious recipe for the day. This is our groundnuts. It has its natural cooking oil, so we don't add oil in groundnut stew. This is our amaranthus dodo. We are going to add in our groundnuts. Groundnut paste is here ready, please. A healthy recipe, healthy stew. Very delicious. You watch the video until the end. We are going to pair it with our steamed matoke, banana Ugandan style, please. Ugandan style, please. Just waiting for the time so that we enjoy our dinner. So this is our steamed matoke, Ugandan style. This is what we are going to enjoy for the day. Our groundnuts are now ready. Please, we are going to enjoy our dinner. This is how it looks like. Green veggies mixed with groundnuts. Our oil is coming out. So please don't cook your groundnuts with cooking oil. It has its natural oil. Let's enjoy our dinner. So please, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. This is what we are going to enjoy for the day. Steamed green banana, which we call matoke here in Uganda. Please, here is our steamed matoke. So let's enjoy our day. So let's enjoy our dinner, please. Come we enjoy together. See you in the next video. This is how we are going to enjoy groundnuts mixed with green vegetable with our banana, what we call matoke here in Uganda, Africa. Please come we enjoy together. See you after grabbing our meal, healthy meal and very nutritious recipe for the day. Please come we enjoy our dinner. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. African foods, please. Ugandan delicacy. Come taste our food. Come taste our Ugandan delicacy, please. See you. Let's enjoy our dinner. Very delicious and nutritious recipe for the day. Come we enjoy. Cheers. Wow.